It will be different on different clients. Of course, they're going to have different head shapes. Right, now I'm going to use the 0.5 and blend it into the 1. And as you can see, I'm just a little bit lower than where the 1 was. I've actually now just moved my body position, and that's why I've just come up just slightly here. What I'm doing here is I'm just switching between the 1 and the 1.5. Just getting rid of any shadows that I can see. I'm using the corner of my clipper as well. And I'm doing that because I don't want to create any lines. And as you can see, I'm using this corner of the clipper because if I use this corner of the clipper, what I'm going to essentially be doing is creating a line with this part of the clipper. So if I'm going in with this corner here, I'm going to be creating a line here because this part of the clipper is going to be cutting. Whereas I'm using this part of the clipper, I'm going in and I'm not creating any other lines with the clipper. So unfortunately, you can't make just part of the blade move, which I'm sure would be quite nice. But it will never happen. Right, so once we've done that, we're then going to grab the 0. I'm just going to flick this up at the bottom. Now, with this fading downwards, don't worry too much. So I can tell just by looking at it that it's a little bit too low at the moment, but that's fine because what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the mini trimmer and I'm just going to bring it up. I'm flicking this up to about where I need to have it. And why I'm flicking it up is because, like I said, we don't want to create any harsh lines. That's essentially what we're doing. Because we're flicking that clipper up, it's going to be super easy to just fade it out.